Hello everyone. Today we are exploring connectors in injection molding, a crucial aspect of plastic component design. Connectors are often manufactured using injection molding, and their design must consider precision, durability and manufacturability. Let's dive into the key aspects of designing connectors for injection molding. What is injection molding and why is it used for connectors? Injection molding is a process where a molten plastic is injected into a mold to create a part. It enables high volume production with precise dimension and minimal material waste. This injection molding is ideal for connectors due to its ability to form small, detailed and intricate features. What could be the commonly used thermoplastics? Polyamide, PA66 for example, polycarbonate PC and ABS. For example, automotive electrical connectors are injection molded for high strength, precision fit and weather resistance. What could be the key design considerations for injection molded connectors? Primarily, it is wall thickness uniformity for avoiding warping and defects during cooling. Next is draft angles. This ensures smooth ejection from the mold. Undercut and snap fit design. This is necessary for securing latching mechanisms. Material selection. High durability, heat resistance and non-conductive plastics should be chosen. For example, USB Type-C connector housing must be precisely molded with minimum tolerances for high-speed data transmission. What could be the challenges in manufacturing injection molded connectors? First challenge is dimensional accuracy. Ensuring connectors fit properly with mating components is a key item. The gate and flow considerations. Optimizing plastic flow to prevent the defects. Then it could be shrinkage and warpage control. Managing material shrinkage for precision parts is a key thing. Testing for mechanical and electrical performances. Durability, insulation and resistance testing. These are very key for testing for mechanical and electrical performances. Example, high voltage battery connectors. This require tight tolerances and insulation properties for safety. What could be the best practices for designing injection molded connectors? One should work closely with mold designers to optimize the tooling design. One should use high performance plastics suited for the application. Incorporate right draft angles and uniform wall thickness to reduce the defects. Test with early prototypes for durability and assembly fit. And that's an overview of connectors in injection molding. From automotive wiring to consumer electronics, injection molded connectors play a crucial role in modern engineering applications. Stay tuned for more insights into product design.